I'm accompanied by Curtis and Bao, and we're going to be doing some chicken parmesan and fettucine with some vodka sauce. And also on top of that, Curtis is going to make some sausage gnocchi soup in this Instapot. We're going to show you all how to do it. But vodka sauce, you need real vodka for vodka sauce. So let's salute and drink up. Hey, Bao.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah, salute. All right. Let's get to work.
I'm nervous with the camera, bro. Leave me alone.
Let's start off with the chicken parm and vodka sauce. Dice up 1 whole onion. We're also going to dice up another onion for later. In a hot saucepan, melt a half cup of butter. Throw in the diced onions. Let that cook down and put in 1 cup of vodka and 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Let that simmer for about 30 minutes to reduce. Now add 1 pint of heavy cream and let that simmer and reduce for 30 more minutes.
Mamma mia!
Mamma mia!
While that is cooking, half the chicken breasts and pound them. Not like that. Pound them with a mallet and rolling pin. Now with a dredge ready, flour of the chicken, egg wash it, and cover it in breadcrumbs. In a hot oiled pan, cook the chicken until crispy for about 4 minutes on each side. Now in a baking sheet, place a thin layer of the vodka sauce on the bottom, place the chicken in the pan, and layer some sauce on top. Cover with mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Do a little dance before placing it in the oven, and bake for about 30 minutes at 425 degrees. During this time, make some fettuccine noodles, fresh, with my link below, or you can use dehydrated noodles. Now it's time to plate it up. Doesn't that look good? Next is a quick and easy gnocchi soup with an Instapot. Brown the Italian sausage in a pot and add in 1 diced onion and 1 cup of mushrooms. Add in 1 can of chicken stock and 1 cup of water. Dice the garlic. Throw in a handful of chopped parsley. Half teaspoon of dried oregano, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, and half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and use salt and pepper at your discretion. Be sure to mix it up constantly. Close the lid of the Instapot, seal the valve, and press the pressure cook button and set it on high for 2 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make some fresh gnocchi. Peel 2 potatoes and boil them until soft and tender, for about 20 to 30 minutes. Smash them up and add in 1 egg. Add in 2 cups of flour and a pinch of salt to taste. Once combined, place a spoonful on a floured surface. Roll it like a Play-Doh snake. Make sure you add flour so it doesn't stick to the surface. Once you get your desired thickness, slice it into smaller chunks. Traditionally, you can use a fork and roll the gnocchi to create grooves so it holds sauce better. For this soup, we don't need to boil the gnocchi. Just place it in the soup raw and cook for an additional 10 minutes on medium heat. Add in 1 cup of heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. Gently stir to fully incorporate them into the soup. Once the cream and cheese is fully incorporated, add in baby spinach and mix well. That's it. It comes together so fast and easy. This soup is packed full of flavor and will be sure to impress anybody who tastes it.
Oh my god.
I told you the soup is just like, woo!
Dude, the gnocchi just melt in your mouth.
Oh my god.
Almost tastes like biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, I guess so. Like Italian biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, because the Italian sausage.
Yep.
Yeah, so I destroyed that. Yo, the chicken parm is delicious.
No, chicken parm is hella good.
God, dude.
Fuck. It's like so creamy and like flavorful.
Perfect.